Hi. Sorry we haven't been posting.
I just came back from San Diego.
Yeah, it's been cold. Very, 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 very cold.
It's going to sleet tomorrow, so we might film like a little snow.
Bro, we gotta do a Christmas special.
Yeah, I know we have to.
In your path at midnight dawn, by a graveyard go. If someone whistles that mysterious
Alright, so let's get started. Just yeah, you can talk.
Silêncio que cantam sutil esplendor. Luz na madrugada, luz na madrugada,
Yo, ready for this transition? Ready? Alright, we're back. So we got Monster Energy out. We can't find the other one's battery, but we got a ramp set up, so. Other one we just didn't do because it was just getting too dark in there, so.
I just don't wanna be
Yo, should I do it this way? Face now. If you hit my head, bro, oh my god, I swear. Alright. Yo, I'm so scared right now.
We're recording, right?
Yeah.
Guys, if he gets hurt, this is dangerous, alright?
Please don't try this at home, bro. Oh my god, bro. Holy, bro. Please tell me we got that. Oh my god.